Dr. Craig.
Hi.
There's one part where I was a little, I guess, confused about. You go against the objector's first premise because sin was imputed to Christ as opposed to infused, if I heard you right.
Yes.
If it was infused, like let's say if it was in that circumstance, how would Christ be not, because he was imputed, he was therefore not sinless. So if he was infused, is he without sin if our sins infused into him, or imputed to him?
Well, if our sins were infused into him, that is to say that Christ actually became a sinful person, lustful, angry, self-centered, grasping, that would be incompatible with his deity and his sinlessness. As the second person of the Trinity, it's impossible for Christ to be sinful. And so we are talking here about a forensic transaction whereby Christ is declared to be legally guilty before God's bar, but not Christ actually becoming an evil, wicked person. That's the difference between imputation and infusion.
So if he was infused, he'd have evil qualities to actually be.
That's right, and would not be God, so it's impossible. It's logically impossible.